Hi there, students. Leastways. Leastways. An adverb, at any rate, at least, anyhow. So, there aren't any shops round here. Leastways, there aren't any that I know of. So, we're using this, at least there aren't any shops round here that I know of. This is modifying or correcting something that you've said. You're using leastways to indicate that you're making a correction. I'm pretty sure I've got enough money to do this. Leastways, I think so. I don't think that violence will be necessary. Leastways, I hope not. So at least you're modifying, you're changing what you've said, you're reducing the effect of a statement. He said that he would come and help me. Leastways, I think he said he'd come and help me. So at least, leastways, it's softening what you've said. We're not going to make any changes to this. Leastways, to the best of my knowledge. Okay, so it's making what you've said less absolute. And you probably know by now the Brits love finding ways to make things sound less absolute. It's a way of saying at least, anyhow. There were a lot of people there. Thousands, well, leastways a couple of hundred. Okay, so at least, in any event, anyway. So you're using this leastways to modify what you're saying. He's always there. Leastways, to the best of my knowledge. Okay, so again, you're modifying what you've said. I think this is fairly informal. I think I'd probably give it something like a 4 informality. The question I'm wondering is this something you can write? And I think no. I think this is something that is spoken. We also actually have the word leastwise. But I think that's much more unusual, leastways. Now the question is this American or British? And I can hear both British and American people saying this. The dictionaries say dialect. Well, leastways, I've heard Americans say it, and I've heard British people say it. So at least, anyway, anyhow. So leastways, at least. The weather was cold, but leastways it wasn't raining. So at least it wasn't raining. He was very famous, leastways until 20 years ago. So he was very famous leastways until 20 years ago. At least up until 20 years ago. So you're correcting what you've said. Okay, he never buys things like that. Leastways, they're extremely cheap and he can resell them. Okay, this English is a difficult language to learn, and it will take all of your lifetime. Leastways 10 years, shall we say. Okay, so in all of these examples, I'm using it to just modify what I'm going to do. He said that he'd come back later. Leastways, that's what I was told. So I'm not really hungry. Leastways for the sort of food that they serve here. Okay, so leastways, at least not for this. The roads, it's difficult to drive along the roads in this area, leastways during the winter. So at least during the winter, perhaps in summer it's not so difficult. a flight to countries like this are not cheap. They're quite expensive. Leastways, in months like June, July, August, and September. So at least while people are on holiday. So leastways, the origin, woof. Okay, so I think it's the least direction, I think is the idea, but at least, at minimum. And as I said before, I'm going to give it a 4 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. A semi-formal conversation maybe, but certainly no more than that. And I don't think I would write it. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Leastways.